Ever found yourself scrolling through investment apps, wondering where to put your money, and stumbled upon Raiz? Maybe you're already a user, diligently rounding up your spare change, or perhaps you're just curious about its potential. But the big question on everyone's mind is, what's the price prediction for Raiz? That's what we're diving into today. Now, before we get started, it's crucial to understand that predicting the price of any investment, especially in the dynamic world of finance, is more art than exact science. There are so many moving parts, from overall market sentiment and economic indicators to the specific performance and future plans of the company itself. So, while we can't give you a definitive number etched in stone, we can explore the factors at play and what analysts are saying. For those unfamiliar, Raiz is an Australian fintech company that allows users to invest small amounts of money automatically through rounding up everyday purchases or making one-off deposits. It offers diversified investment portfolios built with exchange-traded funds, ETFs. This accessibility has made it a popular choice for first-time investors and those looking for a hands-off approach to building wealth. Now, let's talk about what influences the price of Raiz. Since Raiz Holdings Limited, RZR, is a publicly traded company on the Australian Securities Exchange, ASX, its share price is subject to the same market forces as any other listed entity. This means its value fluctuates based on supply and demand, investor confidence, company performance, and broader economic conditions. One key factor is Raiz user growth and engagement. A growing user base translates to more funds under management, FUM, which is a critical metric for revenue generation. If Raiz continues to attract new users and encourage existing ones to invest more, this could positively impact its financial performance and, consequently, its share price. Keep an eye on their quarterly reports for updates on user numbers and FUM. Another aspect to consider is Raiz's ability to innovate and expand its product offerings. The fintech landscape is constantly evolving, and companies that stand still risk being left behind. Raiz has been exploring new features, such as Raiz Rewards and different portfolio options. Successful implementation and adoption of these innovations could be a significant driver of future growth and investor interest. The overall health of the Australian and global economies also plays a crucial role. Economic downturns or periods of uncertainty can lead to investors becoming more risk-averse, potentially impacting the valuation of growth-oriented companies like Raiz. Conversely, periods of strong economic growth and positive market sentiment can create a more favorable environment for investment. Regulatory changes within the financial services sector could also have an impact. New regulations related to fintech companies, investment platforms, or ETFs could create both opportunities and challenges for Raiz. Staying informed about the regulatory landscape is essential. So, what are the analysts saying? It's important to note that analyst forecasts can vary, and there's no single consensus view. Generally, analysts consider the company's growth prospects, profitability potential, and the competitive landscape when formulating their price targets. You can typically find analyst ratings and price targets from financial news outlets and investment research platforms, but remember that these are just opinions and should not be taken as guaranteed predictions. Looking ahead, the future price of Raiz will likely depend on its ability to continue its growth trajectory, effectively monetize its user base, navigate the competitive fintech environment, and operate within the broader economic and regulatory context. Keep an eye on key performance indicators such as user growth, FUM, revenue growth, and any new product launches or strategic partnerships. While a precise price prediction remains elusive, understanding the factors that influence Raiz's valuation can help you make more informed decisions about your own investments. Remember to always conduct your own thorough research and consider your individual financial circumstances and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.